In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase font size in Notion. If you want certain text to stand out more clearly on your Notion page, the easiest way to do that is by changing it from normal text into one of Notion's heading styles. This is useful for titles, section labels, important notes, or any text you want to make more visible and easier to scan. To get started, go to your Notion page. Open the page where the text is located so you can edit it directly. Make sure you're on the exact page where you want the larger text to appear, because the changes will only apply to the text you select. Next, click and highlight the word you want to increase the font size for. You can select a single word, a full sentence, or even an entire line, depending on what you want to emphasize. When highlighting text in Notion, try to select only the content you want to change, since the formatting will apply specifically to that selection. Once the text is highlighted, click on Normal Text. This option appears in the text formatting controls and lets you change the style of the selected text. In Notion, font size for text is typically controlled through these text styles rather than through a traditional font size number picker. So this is the key step. After clicking normal text, you'll be able to choose from different text options. You can keep it as normal text or switch it to heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, or heading 4, depending on how large you want it to appear. Heading 1 is the biggest and works well for major titles or important section headers. Heading 2 is slightly smaller but still very noticeable, making it a good choice for subsections. Heading 3 is smaller and more subtle, while heading 4 is even smaller if you want a lighter level of emphasis. Choose the heading style that best fits the text you selected. As soon as you click the new style, the font size will update automatically on the page. If it doesn't look quite right, you can simply repeat the process and try a different heading level until it matches the look you want. A helpful tip is to use larger headings consistently throughout your page so everything feels organized and easy to read. That way your content not only looks better but also becomes easier to navigate. And that's how to increase font size in Notion, by changing normal text into a heading style.